Welcome to News Hub 88, where we cook smarter, not harder, every Monday at noon. This is episode 3. And today we're making American spaghetti and meat sauce. You will need these 7 ingredients: 1 pound of ground meat, 1 package of frozen chopped peppers and onions, 1 whole bell pepper, sliced into strips, 1 large 48-ounce jar of Ragu Old World-style meat-flavored sauce, 1 can of mild Rotel, 1 box of Italian spaghetti noodles, and a half pot of water. Start by filling a pot 3/4 full of water. Bring it to a boil, then add your spaghetti noodles. Fan them out so they don't stick together. Boil uncovered for 10 to 12 minutes, resting a wooden spoon across the pot to keep it from boiling over. Once done, drain the noodles in a strainer. No need to rinse if you're serving right away. You can start the meat while the pasta cooks. Just set your timer for 10 minutes. Now place your meat in the skillet over medium-high heat. Break up the meat until it's brown and no longer pink. After it's cooked, drain the grease, then place the meat on a plate to the side. Now add in your frozen chopped peppers and onions, plus the fresh bell pepper strips. Stir and cook until the vegetables are tender, then add the meat back to the skillet and stir together. Next, pour in the can of mild Rotel for a little flavor boost. Now add the entire jar of ragu. Stir everything together and cover. Let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until it's hot and bubbling. Plate your spaghetti. Ladle that thick, meaty sauce on top, and finish with a sprinkle of Parmesan and parsley if you like. And there you have it, American spaghetti and meat sauce. Thanks for watching episode 3 of Cooking Smarter, Not Harder right here on News Hub 88. Remember, we post new episodes every Monday at noon, where another classic gets the smarter, not harder treatment. Please like and subscribe, and join us next week for episode 4. See y'all next Monday. Right here on News Hub 88.